Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a common hair problem that many of us face. Dandruff. Dandruff can be embarrassing and frustrating, but the good news is that there are several natural remedies you can try at home to effectively get rid of dandruff. In this video, we will share some simple and effective methods that can help you combat dandruff and achieve a healthy, flake-free scalp. So let's get started. So the first thing is tea tree oil treatment. One of the most popular natural remedies for dandruff is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antifungal properties that can help combat the underlying cause of dandruff. To use this treatment, simply add a few drops of tea tree oil to your regular shampoo and wash your hair as usual. Leave the shampoo on your scalp for a few minutes before rinsing it off thoroughly. Repeat this process regularly and you will notice a significant reduction in dandruff. So the second tip is apple cider vinegar rinse. Another effective home remedy for dandruff is apple cider vinegar. It helps restore the pH balance of the scalp and reduces the growth of yeast, which is one of the leading causes of dandruff. To use apple cider vinegar, mix equal parts of it with water and apply the solution to your scalp after shampooing. Massage it gently into your scalp and let it sit for a few minutes. Before rinsing thoroughly, the vinegar smell will fade once your hair dries. So the third thing is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is known for its soothing and moisturizing properties, making it an excellent remedy for dandruff. It helps reduce itching and irritation while moisturizing the scalp. Simply extract fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf and apply it directly to your scalp. Leave it on for about 30 minutes and then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Regular use of aloe vera gel will help eliminate dandruff and promote a healthy scalp. So the next step is lemon juice. Lemon juice contains citric acid which helps balance the pH of the scalp and reduces excess oil production. It also has antimicrobial properties that can combat dandruff causing fungi. Squeeze fresh lemon juice and massage it onto your scalp. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse. Be cautious if you have any cuts or sores on your scalp, as lemon juice may cause stinging or irritation. So the tip number 5 is neem oil. Neem oil derived from the neem tree is widely used in Ayurvedic medicine for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. It can effectively treat dandruff and scalp infections. Mix a few drops of neem oil, carrier oil like coconut oil, olive oil, and massage it onto your scalp. Leave it on for at least an hour and then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Regular use of neem oil will help control dandruff and promote a healthy scalp. So there you have it, 5 natural remedies to help you get rid of dandruff. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to treating dandruff naturally. Try these remedies regularly for a few weeks to see the best results. However, if your dandruff persists or worsens, it's always a good idea to consult a dermatologist for further evaluation. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.